7:30 in the morning and it's feeding time. Yun po ang isang sekreto na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. May biological clock din kasi itong mga hayop eh. Ibig sabihin, pag nakaugalian mo na magpakain between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning, you have to feed at 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning every day. Sapagkat kapag na-delay ka, magkakaroon sila ng imbalance, mas stress. So ngayon, 7:30, napakain na ito. Ito yung ating first batch ng manok Pinoy. And this flock is about 5 to 6 months old. Ito yung unang grupo. And siguro in 2-3 months time, they will be placed in a breeding facility. Nire-range lang namin sila para masanay, lumaki, mag-mature. And the moment they are mature, we will be able to transfer them to breeding areas. Possibly inside a pen, possibly in cages. We will look at our options to make sure that we produce healthy chicks. So, ito po makikita nyo. Feeding time at 7:30. And lahat sila naandyan. Meron silang tubig, automatic. Of course, napapansin ko yung iba may sipon, maamoy ko. Pero yung mga sipon actually minor na issue sa chicken raising. It's not something that should really worry you because we could come up with interventions.